we are from INNOVANA Technologies. We will present and explain to you guys about our project that we assigned to us. So, our topic is about new innovative industrial cooling system, or as known as IBS. So, for your information, INNOVANA Technologies is known as InnTech, was established in early 2018, and our company history is INNOVANA is a unique spin of the word innovation that gives the original beautiful Russian sound, aside from creativity and inventiveness. It also brings to mind an exquisite female name since the founders of our company also female. Also, this elegant name conveys technological progress and exciting innovation. InnTech vision is we continually strive to stay abreast of developments and push ourselves to think outside the box. And our vision is we are trying our best and about to show our customers that they can count on our business. Also, our company is focusing on developing new technologies and innovative products that use in modern method construction. Currently, our headquarters building is located at Putrajaya, Selangor, and right now we are trying to make a new branch at the east coast of Malaysia. And our current client name is Garuda Corporation Berhad, where we are collaborating together with new project, a huge project which is new innovative of industrial cooling system. So in INNOVANA Technologies organization, my position, I hold the position as Chief Executive Officer or CEO, and with me, my project manager, Miss Hayati, and also our 3 engineers who had to complete this task with our senior engineer, Miss Shahira, and our designer engineer, Miss Anissa, and also Miss Shahida, our planning team leader. Okay, next. I will pass this mic to Hayati.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, so we from the INNOVANA Technology actually had a specialty in IBS. So what is IBS? IBS stands for Industrialized Building System, where it is a technique of construction which building components are manufactured in a factory and it is transported to the construction site and we assemble it there. Okay, next. Okay, how IBS is being implemented? It is the most familiar method used in Malaysia for construction, where it is cast in situ using timber formwork. It is also known as conventional method. You can see it as shown in the picture, in the first picture. Okay, cast in situ means everything is done at site from the earlier stage of completing using a timber formwork. This timber formwork means like it is a mold for the concrete. And then it requires, from that point we know, it requires many trades such as carpenter, plasterer, and many labor workers is needed at the site. So from that we know the consequence, it may cause many quality issues, unfavorable conditions, and also bad weather, which means that we have to postpone the progression of works when it is raining heavily, unpredictable climate. Okay. So from that, NCI has been urged to use innovative construction technique which shift from traditional conventional method to IBS. So from that, our company have decided and come up with the idea to apply fiber cement board include in the precast concrete wall.
As our company have decided to include fiber cement board into a precast concrete wall, so I will explain about fiber cement board. This is a fiber cement board. In previous, asbestos was used as a reinforcing material in fiber cement board. But due to the safety issue, asbestos was replaced with another material, which is cellulose fiber. Okay. Asbestos is actually a material that usually found in zinc or shielding in a house or building. If you want to demolish your house, you have to remove this part first. But I want to ask all of you, why must we remove this part first? Anyone can answer?
No, we don't know.
No? Okay. Actually, asbestos, this is because asbestos can be very dangerous without observing proper precaution. If there is a careless mistake during construction method, the asbestos fiber can be released into the air. And if this happens, it can cause serious diseases, which is lung cancer, mesothelioma, and asbestosis, which is this type of cancer. Okay. As a result, asbestos fiber has been replaced with cellulose fiber along with sand and cement. Back to our innovation. Okay, fiber cement board is a building material used to cover the exterior and interior of a building in both commercial and domestic application. This is an exterior example of exterior and interior of the building. Fiber cement board is a composite material made up from sand, cellulose fiber, and cement. It manufactured in layer by layer to form a sheet of varying thickness. The common size is 3 times 5 feet. The system is a non-load bearing lightweight concrete wall system. It consists of fiber board fixed onto the governor steel stud frame and fit it with lightweight concrete. Later, Anissa will explain more about the installation. It complies with local and international fire rating, sound thermal insulation, and highly impact resistant. The system is CIW Industrialized Building System certified, which contribute with Green Building Index (GBI). This is due to the better of site management and for low wastage during a construction.
Okay, I am Shandra Mira. Okay, I would like to talk about benefit of fiber cement. Okay, fiber cement has a lightweight concrete. What is the lightweight concrete? A lightweight concrete is a concrete which has a density between 1,440 kg per meter cube to 1,840 kg per meter cube. Okay, for the normal density of the concrete is about 2,400 kg per meter cube and above. Okay, this makes the installation of the fiber cement concrete become easier with minimal load exposed on the structure. Okay, another point of the benefit of the fiber cement concrete is the quick and tidy installation. The fiber cement concrete wall makes the installation quicker and easy when cut to specification, and the fiber cement wall installation become with less mess, fumes, and wastage. Okay, the fiber cement concrete is the IBS. IBS is an interlocking building system. Okay. The fiber cement concrete are made up in the factory. Then we assemble it in the site. So it makes the site become safer, the less mess and tidy. Another benefit of the fiber cement concrete is minimum maintenance. Due to the durability and the hardware nature, the fiber cement wall require little maintenance. This saves the house owner's time and expense due on the structure maintenance over its lifespan. Okay, about maintenance, we will be explain later with Ms. Sudha. Another is
fire resistant. The fiber cement concrete has a fire resistant, which is one of the component of made up the fiber cement concrete is fire resistant is the fire rated block. The fire rated block is a fiber rated block ni. When the fire is occur, it takes almost 2 hours to fully burn the whole system. Okay, the fire rated block is used widely in Malaysia, especially in the residential area. Mostly in the between of the houses, they have a fire rated block in the between of the houses. So with that, the fire will be stopped from spread any further. Okay.
Okay, maybe most of you will ask, does the implementation of fiber cement board can be implemented with the climate in Malaysia? Okay, the answer as you can see is yes, because it does not affect the exterior siding. Second, it is durable against lateral forces such as wind, rain and heat. It also keeps your house safe because it is an anti-termite and other insects. Next point is it does not expand and contract with rise and fall temperature in Malaysia, since Malaysia have a typical tropical climate. And it also reduces risk of mold and mildew due to change of weather, since due to change of weather. Mildew is something like fungus, and last but not least, water resistant. The fiber cement board does not absorb water. Okay, the next slide is about the 8 steps of proper installation of fiber cement board at wall as the component of IDS. Okay, the first is set the wall position to the soffit and flow track. As you can see, this is the soffit and the flow track. The client can choose any part of the house they want to implement the system. Okay. Next, fit the intermediate wall span or steel frame. So place the steel frame vertically in between the soffit and the flow tracks. The third is fix the door and window frame. This is only for balcony part. And number 4 is install the first layer of board and fix the M&E service. Okay. First, install the board at the front and fix the M&E at the back. The M&E is mechanical and electrical services such as switch, plug. Okay. Number 5 is cover with the second layer of board and create the opening. The opening is the hole. Okay. Then place the second layer of board and create the hole. Number 6 is pump adequate concrete into the opening with the nozzle. And number 7, flush jointing and patching of fastener. Flush jointing is a method to join the board. And last is wall finishes. The client can choose either they want to cover the wall using the wallpaper, tile, or wallpaper, tile, paint or coat. But at this prototype, we use the wallpaper to cover the wall. Okay, these are the example of installation method. The first picture is the labor is install the board at the wall, and the second is the labor is pump the concrete into the board, and the third picture also same as picture number 2. Okay, this is the video for method of installation. To make it clear for you.
to a solid wall where we will walk you through the steps for proper installation, preparation, application and finishing. Just follow these 5 steps. Step 1. Preparation. Make
this
sure
is
you have
step
everything
1.
required for installation. These are the following items.
To complete the whole project. About the method of construction, for conventional construction method, all the construction component and also the formwork have to be done at the site. While for IBS and our new IBS, the component, which is the board, need to be built in factory, and then we will transport to the site as Hayati said before, where we will casting the board at the site. For the strength, these 3 method actually has strong and can accommodate load, but however, for conventional construction method, it takes time to harden the concrete, while for our new IBS, it designed to hold up under extreme climates such as sunlight, moisture and wind. Rather than IBS, it may have leakage due to frequency raining in Malaysia. For speed of construction, we can say that conventional construction method relatively slow because it manually made, while for IBS and our new IBS, it permits a faster completion of project, and the cycle is around 4 days per house rather than conventional one that needs 7 days per house. Next. About the labor worker, we know that conventional construction method need more labor worker and may always associated to social problem, since we hired foreign labor, and for IBS and our new IBS, we have less in labor worker, especially foreign labor. Since we only need skilled and professional worker, and of course, most of the work done by machine, and it reduced almost 40 to 50% of labor worker. Next, I talk about cost of construction. We can say that these 3 methods has highly cost, but for conventional building method, we need a big scale of labor worker and it varies for delay completion, so it will increase the cost. But for IBS and new IBS, we have reduced the worker, but we only need more cost on machines and new advanced technology. For the quality, Hayati also said about the quality. The conventional building method have low quality since it manually made, so not easy to control as result of honeycombing, bulking and crack occur. While for IBS and our new IBS, we have high quality since we carefully selection the materials and of course we use of advanced technologies. For the finishes of project, the conventional building method have poor finishes since it took time to complete, so the project may be affected with weather condition. While for IBS and our new IBS, we have better finishes since the project might be complete on time and not unaffected by weather element due to controlled environment of casting area, since most of the components have made in factory. Next, construction wastage. For our new IBS, we have low wastage on formwork since most of the structure is made from steel and fiber cement board. For environmental friendly, conventional building method have less environmental friendly since high amount of timber used on construction. While for IBS and new IBS, we have decreased in using timber on construction. A bit additional specials for IBS is certified in Green Building Index rating, as had been said by Ira just now. For the component, we know that conventional building method, the components are disintegrated and difficult to assembly. Since the block need to be glued one by one, while for IPS and new IPS, we just need to install the component by simple installation. While for our new IPS, it need to be installed by using nut and bolt. For the durability, our conventional building method, IPS and our new IPS, these three methods all are resistant to fire. But addition to our new IBS, it resistant to insect and rotting, like Anissa just said just now. And last but not least, the specialty of these three methods. For conventional building method, more workers are preferred to do traditional way. But however, our new IBS and also the IBS have the improved efficiencies and reduced errors. Also, for our new IBS, we doesn't need painting. Also, the board can be colored at factory. I will explain a little bit about maintenance that Shahinda had been taught before. First, the inspecting block joints yearly, because the board was installed to the frame by bolt and nut. So we need to check at that part yearly. For lost cost and maintenance building materials, since it made too resistant to a variety of harmful forces, which is insects, fungus, and extreme temperature shifts, it doesn't need to take care about the structure. And last, it just require regular cleaning, which is at the exterior outside, where the minimum you can do is simple cleaning with a garden hose or a pressure washer to remove surface grime. Since the board is resistant to water, so you can clean it with water. Okay, that's all.
Okay. So for the conclusion, after we compare between the new IBS and the existing IBS, we know that this innovation will contribute to the construction industry in using a modern and more sophisticated method. That's all from us. Thank you.
Any question? So you can see this is our prototype. We made a simple prototype rather than that complex video. So this is the steel frame, and then the black one is the steel frame. This is fiber cement board. There's two layers, which is the at the outside and the inside, and at the between the fiber cement board, we put the lightweight concrete by pump it into the hole. So next is the nut and bolt to join the board and the concrete. For the finishes, we put wallpaper here. Other than that, we can put paint and tiles. That's all. Thank you.